Hello everybody, I hope you are doing great. Let's see what we are going to create today. It's an amazing PowerPoint. You see it has a great effect. Let's see how we can create it. Okay, at first we need to create this slide. For creating that, we add a new slide, and in a new slide we create a rectangle like this, and then we duplicate it. But you see, when we duplicate it without order, it's created by the way we want. It's not important to make the size one by one, but it's good if you like. After creating that, select all of them, go to shape format and no outline. Then the important thing is that we need to create order. We send it to back, bring this to front, bring this to front, and bring this to front. Now everything is ready. We need to color them up. But before coloring, we need to give them shadow. For the shadows, we are going by this shadow. You see, bottom right. And this we are going also with bottom right. This going with bottom left. Bottom left. Okay. Now we create the shadows. We select all of them, format background. And for the background, we are going to use these colors this time. This green types. Okay, this green types is good. And after that, we need to color up the shapes. We are going from the dark to the light. We are going darker from here. This dark. This dark. There are light colors. And the last one. Now, click on the background and apply it to all. Then we need to paste the text. For the text, this is just using Overdrive Sunset. It's an easy text. You can create it by just using Overdrive Sunset as a font. I teach you how to create that, or if you like, I can make a video on how to install that. It's an easy task, but I'm going to give you some information on that. I think tomorrow I'm going to create a video on that. It's good. Okay. Now we create all of them. We need to create the animation. We copy all of them. We bring this here. Now we copy that. We select this to bring them here. We copy that. And you see we need to create the order. The order is important. Here we select all of them, bring them here. Now we copy that, bring all the things here. But the important thing is here, we set the transition after 0.0 second. Here, after. And then we set the transition of all this slide to morph. Now the tutorial ended. Let's see what we created. You see without a click, it's come here. 1 click, 2 click, and 3 click. It's look very great. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, please tell me in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe.